Do you need to put something or someone on ice in order to supersize and grow your business? Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here, and our idiom, our expression today for supersize your business is put something on ice. Now, this expression has been around since the time of using ice to keep usually foods or things like fish at the fish markets or produce or things or animals or game cold at markets. And then as ice was replaced in the 1930s by actually freezers and cooling units, the saying switched from putting something on ice, like I keep thinking of fish at a fish market because they still do that in many parts of the world. And when we put things in ice, if we're having a picnic or something to keep it cold, it switched to meaning by the 1930s into the 60s. And by the 60s, it had taken hold, meant to put a stop to or a hold on a project or on anything, to put anything. Maybe you put a relationship on ice. You take a break from your relationship. Maybe you put a hold on spending. And if you've been in corporate America, often during the different times of the year and different seasonality, there'd be a hiring freeze or a hold on spending. We would freeze something or stop doing it. A hold on corporate training often, or on different benefits or things that happen in corporate America. Same thing is true in our businesses. Sometimes we put a hold on projects because we want to rethink them. Sometimes we put a hold on paying for employees different benefits like education and things. Before student loans, a lot of times people would put their education on hold or their higher education because they needed to get the money together. Again, before student loans, when money was available to everybody for education. Sometimes you'd have to put your education on hold. So do you ever have to put, and is there something that you should put on ice in your business or with respect to your business or your life right now because you want to focus on growing and supersizing and building your business? Oftentimes there's the belief that we have to struggle and sacrifice for our businesses. But I say struggle and sacrifice are absolutely positively optional. If we're making choices that are in the best interest of our business and our life, is that a sacrifice? I contend that it's not. It's a choice. And if I have the power to make a choice, then I don't feel like I'm sacrificing anything. I'm just choosing among infinite possibilities and infinite alternatives. But sometimes our families and our relationships and our travel and our fun and our adventure takes a back seat because we are building and supersizing and growing our business. Now I say merge it all together and make it part of the same thing if we're really creating the business that we want to have in our life long term. So I'm curious, is there something that you need to put on ice? Early on and I still probably need to get better at this and continually improve at it. And that would be the one thing I would say, don't ever put on ice your own personal growth, personal development, investing in yourself, your own learning, reading, and growing and becoming a better version of yourself, a better human being. Everything else, sometimes we have to take a break from it. Sometimes we have to put a pause on things because other things are more important. Based on our priorities, we always need to decide what is right for us right now and do that thing. So curious, is there something that you need to put on ice? I know what I was going to say. I was going to talk about, I tend to be always doing a whole lot of different things. And I need to put some projects on ice in order to focus on other things and just focus on one thing at a time in order to create and supersize one business at a time. It's once you get them going and set up, you can supersize more than one business at a time. But when you're first getting started, one at a time, one at a time, one at a time. Focus and consistency. So share in the comments below, is there something that you can think of that you should probably put a hold on, put on ice in order to grow and supersize your primary business? That's it. Have an awesome day. If I can help you in any way, ask. Otherwise, I will be with you tomorrow with another December related idiom. I think we're just about ready to hop into the Christmas idioms. We'll just do a week of Christmas idioms since not everyone celebrates Christmas, but most of us have some type of a celebration this time of year, depending on our experiences, our beliefs, our faith, etc. All right, have a great day. I'll be with you tomorrow.